The 2008 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, four-passenger truck provides exceptional value. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. All of the premium features expected of a Toyota are offered, including a tachometer, a rear step bumper, front fog lights, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.